you can see, it's just about dusk, snowing pretty hard. The winter that never ends. Snows almost every day. Everybody hates it, but I love it. Only going to get maybe 1 or 2 inches with this one because it's not going to be very long lasting. Here's the neighbor's yard. Took down that fence. Down there through the trees is Main Street. See a couple cars going by. That tree has been here since God knows when. My whole life, I know that much. Temperature is about 28 degrees. No wind, so it's actually fairly warm for me. I am starving. My ribeye is almost done. Okay. There's a football that I got off the top roof a few days ago. Alright, that's about it. Peace out, Girl Scout.